What's up, guys? You know it's going to be a good time when picking up a car involves chainsaws. That's always an awesome time. We are back at the auction site again today. I apologize now if this audio and video is not very good. Trying yet another set of mics and another phone, and going to stick with one phone this entire video, see how it goes. I haven't been impressed with the quality of the last couple videos. Still learning. Big learning curve there, because I am. Let me get a better light here. Here we go. See, I'm learning. You can see my face now. Big learning curve with editing software and all that stuff. I am not good with technology. That is apparent. So yeah. So back to the cars. Here's today's project, and I don't know how well this is gonna go, but yep. We're after this truck, and I just backed into the thorn tree. It felt awesome. This is today's goal. Yes, that's a... Man, I really wish these would zoom out like this. As I've said in some of the other videos, this is a custom cab. The stainless on this truck is what makes it valuable. The truck's absolute garbage. I mean, there's parts here, but the value is in that stainless. So we gotta try to get that tree out of the bed, as well as all his other saplings through here. Man, that sun is just really jacking with this, isn't it? Let me go to the other side of the truck, see if it's any better. These thorns. Look at those thorns. Can you see that? Let's try. Yeah, look at them dudes. That is not the one I'm videoing. Look at them. Everywhere out here. Any better? Sun's still jacking with us a little bit. So, yep, we're going to try to get this one out. Then we got that one next. Give you an idea of what we're dealing with. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? I hope you can see that in that video. So it's going up between the trolling arm and the frame. I don't know what the answer is there. I really hope I was videoing the right thing there. So it's snaked in on the outside of that trolling arm, and then comes inside the frame and then comes out. There's not enough room. The truck's sitting all the way down on the ground, so I don't know that we can cut it off flush with the ground. I didn't bring torches today because I was being lazy this morning, which I'm regretting at this point. Because if I could just cut that trolling arm and leave that stump up high, that sure would have made life easier. So that's not going to happen today. So if that fights us too hard, we're just going to go to plan B, pull out this truck first. Not nearly as valuable, but I mean, they're all got parts value. But so I'm going to get chainsaw fired up. I don't think you guys care to watch me run a chainsaw, so I probably won't video that too much. Get some trees cut down. Eventually I gotta go get the skid loader that's still hanging out on the other side of the property with the honeybees that tried lighting us up yesterday. So get chainsaw and get after it. Alrighty, do a little bit of clearing. As you can see, you can actually see the truck and see what we're dealing with now. Still gonna cut a few more trees up in here, and well, actually over here. I'm gonna cut those out, and then we're gonna get in here and tackle this dude. It has the potential for catastrophic failure, so I'm gonna hook you guys to a tree over here. Hopefully, hook you to a tree over here somewhere, hopefully, and you guys can be able to watch if I screw up. Hopefully I don't. The plan as of right now is put a notch in her up high-ish and try to get that thing to fall and keep it off that bedside. I know what I should be doing is removing this stainless so I don't screw it up. That's what I should be doing. That way if that thing kicks back and you know, kicks back into the truck, we're not tearing up that stainless. So I don't know what the answer is. The other answer is, I guess, take the tailgate off and drop it and fall it out the bed. Could do either or. I'd probably be less apt to tear up stuff. We might go that route. How hard is it to get one of these bad boys off? I also don't want to tear up that bumper. That bumper's pretty sweet if you ask me. I don't know that I've ever seen that step/hitch attachment there. That's pretty cool. So is the Yamaha. That tailgate's just going to go on the wall. It's absolutely garbage, but that Yamaha sticker makes it pretty cool in my opinion. Something else I don't know if I talked about in the past is this big back window. That's pretty desirable. That's kind of rare. Most of them have a small back window like that truck. So somebody may be interested in this entire truck for a parts truck. I don't know. But I'm going to set you guys up somewhere, see what I can figure out. What we'll try to do here is notch this down low, cut slow, and let it just ease on down. It's leaning that way pretty good, so that's good. Try not to feed by that tailgate. while, but I'm gonna call that a win. Really thought about cutting that frame and that trailing arm. The frame's garbage already. If I cut the frame, this is gonna sound retarded, but if I cut the frame and not the trailing arm, the rear end would stay under it somewhat. Maybe. Back on, that is in there. Tree, why did you grow there? Man, I don't know why I do some of the stuff I do. This is so dumb. Got one here too. That wouldn't be easy enough. We can just buzz the bottom of it off. Got the exhaust in there too. Let's climb in and see if the exhaust at least come out of the way. Not sure what I want to do here. Are you free and moving? Of course not. Good cut on it. Oh, the hanger's inside the stump. Can you all see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. This phone's garbage. It's probably worst video yet. Oh, what the deal? Well, I didn't bring the torches today. I know. Stupid idea. Thinking about what to do here. What's everybody else's thoughts? I know, just go home. That's probably the most logical thing. Got Sawzall. Be a lot to take on the Sawzall, I believe. The exhaust hanger. Maybe that's just a clamp and not a hanger that's in the tree, because that side over there doesn't have a hanger there. It's just a clamp for that cherry bomb. But it doesn't want to move. Maybe we'll get the Sawzall and get out there, get that exhaust out of the way. Man, what a dumb idea. Whose idea was this anyway? I think I could cut. Obviously, this little one's no problem. This little one here, no problem. Even if I cut on the bottom of this stump, that I am sure, this big stump, you know, if I come in underneath the frame there, I guarantee there's garbage in that. I don't know if you see me when I was up high on it cutting limbs out, there was something wrapped around one of the limbs that I almost got into. and that's what happens. I mean, whatever was in the bed is now in that tree. I'm sure of it. And I don't think I can get under that trailing arm. I bet when I picked up on that wheel, I probably just bent that trailing arm. I probably didn't. Oh yeah, you can see the buckle right there. Dumb ideas. Dumb ideas. So I wonder if, since that frame is C-channel, I wonder if that tree grows inside the channel. Or, I don't know if that makes sense. I get freaking paranoid every time I see something flying now. I think it's a freaking bee or a hornet. Oh yeah, it's up inside there. That right there is what I was talking about. Man, this light is just killing it on this one. Well, that was a wasp. Where'd it go? Freaking bugs. I don't know what to do. Part of me wants to cut it all out. Just get what I can get. I really should probably should just really take the bed apart. Hey guys, welcome back to the woods. I don't know how many days we've been here. It's been a lot, but we're officially past our window of 2 weeks now to get this stuff out. We've had quite a bit of rain, so I don't think anybody's going to push the issue with us getting out of here. The boys beat me here this morning. I was driving a semi and had to get fuel, so they're a little ahead of the game on me. But I don't know how much of that last video pieces I'm going to be able to use. We've had nothing but problems out of video and audio and all that stuff, so we're going to do our best again to put this video together. We did buy a GoPro, spent a good chunk of money on that. Not sure how to use it yet. I was trying to use it for this and it whipped me pretty quick. I haven't did any research at all. We literally bought it late last night and haven't had time to learn it yet. So anyway, the game plan as of now is I'm giving up on fighting this stump. So what I've got the boys doing, they're unbolting the bed sides from the header panel there. Believe it or not, I will say the header panel looks like it might be okay.
The bottom of it, lip of it's got a little bit, but it's still usable.
Okay, so they unbolted the bed sides. We're just going to cut all these rotten cross members off. And the reason I do that, because if we remove this stainless out here and try to haul that home, it's going to be junk before we get it home. So we're going to take these bed sides off. Like I said, we're just going to cut all the cross members, and then we're just going to cut the frame off behind the cab, cut the trailing arms, whatever we got to. I had hoped to sell this as a parts truck, somewhat complete to somebody, because somebody that wants to build a custom cab, everything's here, like literally all of it. So, if somebody wanted to convert theirs to a big back window, and I haven't even looked at this cab. I guess it might be buildable.
Careful opening the door.
But Steven did learn that we have some residents in the cab. Got some wasps flying around, and they got a big nest in the corner of the cab, but they're not smart enough to get out to sting us, so that's a good thing. We're going to get this cab took apart, cut the cab off behind the frame, and haul her home as like that. We'll hopefully maybe get this cab on the trailer with another car. We still have this, 3 Packard Clippers, I think what there was. The Ford convertible, which the convertible is absolutely 100% garbage. But all that stainless on the windshield and all that stuff's still good. So there's a good chunk there. So we got 5 cars there. The race car that's in there is probably scrap. We'll know more when we get it out. There's 2 or 3 halves of cars there, and then there's some scrap. At this point, unfortunately, the scrap might get left behind. I just can't keep investing any more time into this stuff. What are you waiting on, guys?
I'm looking. Is it okay to cut this?
Yep. Cut all the cross members and
That's what
ladder B. Some of them might not even need to be cut, as rotten as this thing is.
half of those over there.
Yeah. So do what you got to do. He's gonna make some noise, so we're gonna walk away. But we're gonna work on getting this dude out of here. This and the cab over are the 2 that I want out the most. So that's where we're gonna work. The cab over, the B situation there. Not sure what we're doing there yet. We'll figure it out. We'll make it happen. That's the update as of now. Shoot some footage for you guys getting the stuff out here in a minute. Got this wiring back here, bud. Got this wiring that needs cut. Hand him that saw, Steven.
Rack rod beds.
I can still attach back here pretty good.
Got back here too.
These sweat bees are horrible. beat up the stainless on the truck either, guys. Watch the truck.
Lindsay got approved for duct tape. Make sure he clears over there, Austin.
Man, look at all these freaking sweat bees. Can you all see them things? They are absolutely everywhere. Like, you can't really talk without them going in your mouth. Absolutely obnoxious. We're going to leave this thing here, I think. Well, part of it. I think I'm still going to have Steven cut it here. We'll take that rest, clean up as much as we can, but we're going to donate that chunk of frame and that trailing arm, I do believe. Just not worth fighting up. Of course, now I fought to get the wasp. There he is. Sorry about you, buddy. All of them migrate to that corner over there, but we ain't found the nest. Man, them raccoons, they sure do hate foam. I don't know what's up with that. That is, yep. Takes them out of the air. That is some good stuff. Not endorsed, but could be. Yeah, I like it. See, I don't think this one had any drivetrain, but I honestly don't know that we've ever had the hood up. Yep, I'm looking through it. There ain't no drivetrain. Bugs in my face. All paranoid. Oh, she's crusty and heavy. There, going. Typical Indiana truck. Got the Indiana delete and the standard coon poop. But what I'm seeing the cab so far, a guy could actually redo that cab if he really wanted to. I thought this was a GMC. It is a Chevy. Grill's nice. Them things are bringing pretty good money on eBay right now. Front bumper's nice. That's a pleasant surprise. Missing a few little spears on the stainless. I don't know why I was thinking this one was a GMC. The other one was, but I don't know. A lot of parts. Try to find a buyer for the whole thing. Somebody that wants to turn their truck into a big window custom cab. That's the goal, is to put her back into circulation in that manner. Both of them front spears are missing. That's a shame. Looks like they literally rotted off. But on to the next one.